What's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to add your couch onto VR on the Meta Quest 2 or the Oculus Quest 2. Alright, so as you can see I have my couch right in front of me right here, and what you need to do is open up the menu and go to settings. So let's go to settings right here. You can go to experimental and scroll down and you should see room setup. And I'm seeing this room in real life right now, but you probably can't because it's just gonna show a black room, but you can probably see this little menu right here. So it's just a black room in this menu, but what I'm seeing is the room in real life, because Oculus doesn't record the pass through. But anyways, you can press continue here and you can confirm or you can redo, it's up to you, but I'm just gonna confirm, and now it's gonna tell me to map out the walls in the room, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. You can see it right here. You can just do exactly what it's showing, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, and then after that you can just press confirm, and then now it's gonna give you options on what you want to add, and in this case we're gonna add the couch. So I'm gonna have my GoPro right here. I'm gonna try to record and line it up when I edit, so hopefully that works. Okay, so right here you kind of just have to trace your couch, as you can see on the menu there. So I'm just gonna trace my couch. And that's pretty much it. You can just press done and not now. And as you can see, I have the couch right here in VR and also in real life. And if I go close to it, for some reason it goes to pass through. And if you see this, you can just confirm. And now I can just sit down on the couch in real life, just like this. And it feels like I'm really here. So I can move here, I can move here, and it just feels real. It feels like I'm really here. So that's pretty much it. That is how you add your couch into VR, and I think it's a pretty cool feature. Alright guys, so that is how you add your couch into VR on Oculus Quest 2 or Meta Quest 2. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot when you guys do that. If you want to keep up with me on my socials, I'll put them on the screen and I'll leave links to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I'll put the link to it in the description as well. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.